Hi, my name is Brooke Hammers, and I am a Customer Success Manager here at Scion Analytics. Today, I'm going to show you how to shred a document. Let's get started. Our Shred document application generates a compliance matrix in seconds instead of hours. This application ensures compliance by identifying requirements in the RFP. You'll want to hit Next and then select your project. Next, select your document and then hit Analyze. Let's see the results. As you can see, your document has been parsed into sections. On the left are your headings. In the middle, you'll see that your requirements are highlighted in red. And then on the right, you can assign team members sections for the proposal. Want to generate a compliance matrix in seconds? Schedule your demo today.